Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to explore Amazon S3, or Simple Storage Service, one of the most popular and versatile storage services in AWS. Amazon S3 is an object storage service designed to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web. By the end of this session, you'll understand what object storage is, how Amazon S3 works, and its key features and use cases. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is object storage? Object storage is a method of storing data as objects, rather than in a file hierarchy or block structure. Each object includes the data itself, a unique identifier, and metadata that describes the object. Here's why object storage is important. Scalability. Object storage can handle virtually unlimited amounts of data, making it ideal for large-scale applications. Durability. Object storage systems are designed for high durability, ensuring that your data is protected against loss. Flexibility. Object storage can store any type of data, from text files to videos, making it suitable for a wide range of use cases. For example, a media company might use object storage to store and serve millions of photos and videos to users around the world. Now, let's take a closer look at how Amazon S3 works. Amazon S3 organizes data into buckets, which are containers for objects. Each bucket has a unique name and can store an unlimited number of objects. Here's what you need to know. Objects. Each object in Amazon S3 includes the data itself, a unique key, and metadata. The key is a unique identifier for the object, and the metadata provides additional information about the object, such as its size, type, and creation date. Buckets. Buckets are the top-level containers for objects. You can create multiple buckets to organize your data, and each bucket can have its own access controls and policies. Regions. Buckets are created in specific AWS regions, allowing you to store your data close to your users for low-latency access. For example, if you're hosting a website, you might create an S3 bucket to store your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, and configure the bucket to serve these files directly to users. Now that we understand how Amazon S3 works, let's explore its key features. Durability and availability. Amazon S3 is designed for 99.9999% durability, meaning your data is highly protected against loss. It also offers high availability, ensuring that your data is always accessible when you need it. Scalability. Amazon S3 can store virtually unlimited amounts of data, and it automatically scales to meet your needs. You only pay for the storage you use, with no upfront costs or long-term commitments. Security. Amazon S3 provides robust security features, including encryption, access control lists, ACLs, and bucket policies. You can control who has access to your data and how they can interact with it. Lifecycle management. Amazon S3 allows you to define lifecycle policies to automatically transition objects to cheaper storage classes or delete them after a certain period. This helps you optimize costs and manage your data effectively. Versioning. With versioning, you can keep multiple versions of an object in the same bucket. This is useful for protecting against accidental deletions or overwrites. Now, let's explore some use cases where Amazon S3 can be particularly beneficial. Data lakes. Amazon S3 is often used as the foundation for data lakes, where large amounts of raw data are stored for analysis. Its scalability and durability make it ideal for this purpose. Backup and restore. Many organizations use Amazon S3 to store backups of their critical data. Its high durability and availability ensure that your backups are safe and accessible when you need them. Static website hosting. Amazon S3 can be used to host static websites, serving HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files directly to users. This is a cost-effective and scalable solution for hosting simple websites. Big data analytics. Amazon S3 is commonly used to store data for big data analytics. Its ability to handle large volumes of data and integrate with other AWS services like Amazon Athena and Amazon Redshift makes it a powerful tool for data analysis. Media storage and distribution. Media companies use Amazon S3 to store and distribute large files like videos and images. Its scalability and low latency access ensure that users can access media files quickly and reliably. To get the most out of Amazon S3, here are some best practices to keep in mind. Use lifecycle policies. Define lifecycle policies to automatically transition objects to cheaper storage classes or delete them after a certain period. This helps you optimize costs and manage your data effectively. Enable versioning. Use versioning to protect against accidental deletions or overwrites. This ensures that you can always recover previous versions of your objects. Implement access controls. Use bucket policies and access control lists, ACLs, to control who has access to your data and how they can interact with it. This helps you maintain security and compliance. Monitor and optimize costs. Use AWS Cost Explorer and AWS budgets to monitor your S3 usage and costs. Look for opportunities to optimize, such as moving infrequently accessed data to a cheaper storage class. So, let's recap. S3 is object storage, where you store data as objects within buckets. Each object has a key and metadata. S3 is highly durable, available, and scalable, and it offers various storage classes to optimize costs. It's a foundational service for building all sorts of cloud applications,